You know that shiny bottle in your kitchen that promises to be heart-friendly? The one you drizzle on your salad, or sometimes swallow raw because someone online says it's healthy? Yeah, that oil might be doing you more harm than good. Let's get real for a moment. Not all oils are created equal. While some give your body the glow up it deserves, others sneak behind your health and steal your energy. And guess what? The difference isn't just in taste or smell, it's in how your body reacts. Many people wake up tired, feel bloated, or find their skin acting out, and they never suspect the oil they're swallowing every morning. Some oils are refined, bleached, and stripped of nutrients. They go through more drama than a Nollywood movie just to make it to your bottle. Your body needs essential fats, not processed fats that clog your liver like a bad house guest. Swallowing the wrong oil daily can lead to inflammation, sluggish digestion, and even contribute to belly fat. Not cute. So, before you till that spoon again, ask yourself, is this oil cold pressed? Is it extra virgin? Or is it just wearing a healthy label and fooling your guts? Your body deserves clarity, not confusion. The right oil can support your brain, skin, joints, and even help burn fat. The wrong one? Well, it might just be sabotaging all your gym efforts. Next part? Let's break down the types of oils and which ones your body actually loves. Let's not sugarcoat it. Some oils are in your kitchen acting like undercover villains. They wear that heart-healthy tag and sit proudly on your shelf, but once they hit your belly, chaos begins. Here's the real tea. Your body thrives on natural fats. These come from sources like avocados, coconuts, olives, and certain seeds. When oils are cold-pressed, they keep all their nutrients. No bleaching, no deodorizing, just pure goodness. These are the heroes. Now, let's talk about the drama queens, refined vegetable oils. Sunflower, soybean, corn, canola. Sounds healthy? Not always. These oils go through so many chemical changes, they lose their original identity. They're often high in omega-6 fats, which can trigger inflammation if taken too often. Your body needs a balance of omega-3 and omega-6. But when all you're getting is omega-6, it's like inviting 20 noisy guests and no peacekeepers. Inflammation kicks in, your joints hurt, skin breaks out, and your energy? Gone. So, when choosing oils, ask, is it cold pressed? Is it extra virgin? Was it made in a lab or squeezed from a fruit? Healthy oils smell fresh, taste light, and don't feel greasy in your mouth. They support your heart, brain, and metabolism. Bad oils, they sit heavy in your gut and make your body feel slow. Don't let fancy labels fool you. Marketing is powerful, but your health deserves facts. Next up, let's see what actually happens inside your body when you swallow the wrong kind of oil. You swallowed the oil because someone said it helps your skin glow or boosts your heart. But inside your body, a different story unfolds. Let's take a walk through your system. First stop, your mouth. If the oil is processed, your taste buds get confused. There's no richness, no freshness, just bland slickness. But your body doesn't stop to question. It sends it down. Next, your liver. This is where the real Wahala begins. The liver tries to break the oil down, but some refined oils are too foreign. They come with chemical residues from their heavy processing. Your liver now works overtime, like a civil servant with no break. It stores what it can't handle, usually as fat. Meanwhile, your gut starts feeling sluggish. Instead of smooth digestion, the oil creates a traffic jam. You feel bloated, gassy, tired, and yes, your waistline starts to betray you. Refined oils are like uninvited guests at a family meeting. They cause tension. They inflame your cells, making your immune system act up. That's when you start experiencing body pain, skin flare-ups, and unexpected tiredness. But when you take the right oil, cold-pressed, unrefined, the opposite happens. Your body relaxes. Your liver processes it with ease. Your cells use the fats for energy, not storage. You feel lighter, more focused, even happier. So, That tiny spoon of oil each morning, it can either be your secret weapon or your slow enemy. In the next part, let's explore the oils that truly love your body and the ones that secretly betray it. Let's put them side by side. No filter, no sugar coating, just truth. Oils that love your body are like that reliable friend who shows up when you need them most. They're clean, calm, and full of good vibes. Think extra virgin olive oil, rich in antioxidants, supports heart health and helps reduce inflammation. Cold-pressed coconut oil supports digestion, boosts energy, and may help burn fat. Avocado oil, packed with vitamin E and monounsaturated fats that fuel your body and fight aging. Flaxseed oil, loaded with omega-3s, good for your brain and joints. These oils are natural, usually cold-pressed, and don't need fancy marketing to prove their worth. They smell good, they feel good, and your body actually says thank you after taking them. Now to the other team, oils that lie to your face. Refined soybean oil, canola oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, and less cold-pressed. These ones come out looking clean, but their backstory is full of drama. They're processed at high heat, treated with chemicals, and often stripped of nutrients. You're left with something your body doesn't even recognize. Worse, some are high in omega-6, which isn't bad in small doses, but in excess, it's like pouring fuel on the inflammation fire. It's time to treat your body like a VIP guest. Give it only what uplifts it. Oil should be natural, simple, and nourishing. Anything else is a smooth-talking troublemaker. In the final part, we'll show you how to make the right oil part of your daily life without stress or confusion. So now you know the truth. Some oils help you glow. Others leave your body crying in the background. But here's the big question. How do you choose the right one without feeling like you're solving a chemistry exam? First rule, read the label. Don't fall for sweet words like heart-friendly or light. Look for cold press, extra virgin, unrefined, no additives or preservatives. If the oil can't tell you its full name, it's hiding something. Second rule, choose glass over plastic. Good oils don't like heat or light. Plastic bottles allow both. A dark glass bottle keeps your oil fresh and your body happy. Third rule, don't swallow blindly. You don't always need to gulp oil from spoon. Drizzle it on your food. Use it to saute veggies. Mix a little into your smoothie. Let it flow with your lifestyle, not fight it. If you're into gym life, the right oil supports muscle recovery and helps with joint flexibility. Imagine working out hard and your oil helping behind the scenes like a silent coach. Also, you don't need 5 oils at once. Start with one good one, like extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil, and stick to it for a while. Your body will tell you how it feels. Less bloating, more energy, better focus. That's a green light. Your oil should feel like self-care, not punishment. Final tip, store it right. Keep it cool, away from sunlight. Good oil deserves good treatment. So next time you reach for that spoon, remember, your body is listening. Make sure you're giving it something worth hearing.